Howdy folks, TJ here. Hey, I came up with a cool little idea on my Pleasureway Tofino 2022. You see, all these years, 4 years now, I've been carrying this Dollar Tree bag, double bagged. And inside this bag, after I take one bag out, another bag. Why did I have two bags? Because in case something leaks from this. And what is this? It's the little water hose spigot thing that you can connect to the Pleasureway Tofino to take like an outdoor shower or have outdoor water availability. The thing is, I would always have to, every time I packed up the camper, try to find a spot, put it in there. Did I remember it? Because sometimes I would take it out, put it in the garage, and I'll go, did I remember to bring it? Oh crap, we didn't. Now we can't take a shower. We're gonna stink for a week. So I came up with an idea because it would be cool if this was a little bigger because then I could keep what's in there as well. But let me show you what I'm talking about. Over in the corner of the Tofino is this little door. This little door has this little accordion-shaped black water, dark water thing that I have never used, and the odds are I will probably never use. It's like a slinky. Big old slinky, a slinky. Anyway, there's a hole in here. I'll show you here in a second. But all this time, there's been a hole there. Now, this is too big to put in there. It's just a little bit too round, and you could probably twist it and turn it and maybe stuff it in there, but you'd never get it out, and it's a very tight fit. I don't need this. I don't, like I said, ever envision me using the black tank. Anything that we put in there is typically just quick little hand wash. And if we do any type of soap in the sink, it is a biodegradable kind. And we seldom use the water tank other than for emergency use or just a quick little spot of water in the middle of the night. So out goes this, because I'm probably going to just come home after being away for a week or two and dump the fairly probably drinkable water, other than a little soapy taste, out in my property. I live on 10 acres. I don't care where that little water bit goes. It's not like I'm washing dishes or doing anything where there's truly stuff that's going to become bad for the environment. So I'm going to stick this in here. It's still a little big, but if you twist it and turn it a little bit like a screw, it goes right in there and it works well. So let me kind of quickly show you. I'll take this camera off. So there is a hole, and if you've got a similar hole, we all got holes, don't we? Similar hole, this one on the Tofino actually has an end, so it's not like I can push something in there and it comes out the other side. There's actually protection or something blocking it there, so not a big deal. But if you have the same scenario and don't really need the black tank water thing, let me just kind of quickly show you what I did. So grab your little hose. I got to be in the camera here. Your little hose spigot, of course, has a little nozzle on the end. So I just kind of grabbed it and twisted it and put it in the middle so it's nice and tight. This is the side I'm going to put in first, the side that actually plugs into the outlet. And then basically just, do I need to position the camera? I'm sure you smart people will get this. It's not like rocket science. But let me do this. Let me do this. Actually, maybe I'll do this and then do a little of this and a little of this. You like my editing style? That works. Okay, so grab said hose and just kind of start it off by pushing this inside the hole a little bit. And then kind of spin as you're pushing in. It's almost just the right size, just a little bit too big, but if you kind of spin it like a screw, it just screws right in there. And once you get it to there, close the door and lock it, and voila, you are done. Let me pan back out. Oh, that's not the right panning. So that's going to be a little trick. I no longer need my awesome blue slinky, at least on the trips that I normally go on. This is kind of fun. Maybe I will take it. Anyway, I think this is a good idea because now I don't have to put it in a baggie. Even if after I use it, I just get all the water out, stick it in here. It's kind of in its own little compartment that's available should I ever need it. It is water related, refuse water, but in this point, I'm never going to refuse anything. So it's basically my clean water spigot to take showers and such. I think that's a nifty idea for people that don't need the black water or dark water, whatever you call it. See, I don't even use it. I think it's black water tank, right? Gray water, there you go. Black and gray is kind of all the same to me. You don't want to drink it if it's gray or black. If it's clear, it still may not be edible. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found this useful. I'm going to save this just in case I ever do need it, and I'm going to go for 2 months, and I'm going to definitely need to dump it someplace, but that's highly doubtful at this stage. So thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye.